What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you two quick options that you can use to improve the steadiness of your footage. Ideally, we would always want to work with footage filmed on a gimbal or on a tripod. Sometimes though, the only thing that we have available is handheld footage, which is quite shaky. It's moving a lot, but rest assured there are two ways, as I said before, that we can two things that we can do in order to improve the footage. So let me first duplicate my clip here, and then I'm gonna use the warp stabilizer effect. This is gonna take a while. It analyzes and it makes adjustments on your clip by default, so it goes frame by frame, so it might take a while depending on what CPU you have, but rest assured this does not prevent you from continuing work on other aspects of your project, so you can move along to other business and leave this in the background to do its thing.
One eternity later.
Alright, so now that the warp stabilizer has done its thing, let's see what we got. Compare it with the original footage. As you can see clearly, especially in the lower left area, there's a lot of movement, a lot of shakiness that has been removed by the effect. And if we go into the control panel, by default the framing will be set to stabilize, crop and auto scale, and if we change it to stabilize only, we will clearly see how much movement our clip had, and movement that was removed or adjusted by the warp stabilizer. So again, the black borders that we see represent our movement. I'm going to go back to stabilize, crop and auto scale, and it's already scaled to 110%, but we can zoom it in a bit more in order to increase the steadiness of the clip, and now we have something like this compared to this. So all in all, it makes our footage usable, it looks good. I'll play another example of the effect, and until I catch you next time, take care.